Welcome to Dwayne the Brain Fitness. Today we're going to be making buffalo chicken mac and cheese using Banza noodles and Buffalo Wild Wings mediums buffalo sauce. Let's make it happen. Before we begin, please like and subscribe to my channel as I bring to you high protein meals and snacks every week and videos on how I lost 90 pounds and kept it off over the years. Now we're going to start by prepping the chicken breast. Specifically, we're using chicken breast tenderloin. So we're going to take about 4 strips, pat them dry, and then cut them in half. Now we're going to add some salt and pepper. Not much. And we're going to use about 4 tablespoons of this sauce. Now we're gonna mix this up pretty good. Now we're gonna let this sit as we preheat the Ninja Foodi. We're gonna preheat the Ninja Foodi to 375 degrees for 13 minutes on the roast setting. While this is preheating, we're gonna get a pot with 6 cups of water and start to boil for the macaroni. When I was walking inside the grocery store, I saw this Banza Macaroni and Cheese. I do enjoy macaroni and cheese from time to time, but this one promises more protein. So it's 2 times the protein as regular macaroni and cheese, 2.5 times the fiber, and 30% fewer nut carbs. And I believe nut carbs is calculated by taking the total carbohydrates and then subtracting the amount of fiber. These taste really good. Alright, Ninja Foodi has been preheated. Now it's time just to add the chicken. Now mac and cheese, the recipe usually calls for milk, and the milk I'm going to be using is Fairlife 2% milk. I'm using this as a substitute because of what it says on the back. Fairlife 2% milk has 13 grams of protein compared to regular milk having 8 grams. Sugar 6 versus 12 grams. No more calcium and no lactose. Now since the water's boiling, now it's time to add the macaroni. Now it's stir for 8 to 9 minutes, which is what we're gonna do. Now that the chicken is done, we're gonna place a plate. On the weigh scale, then turn it on, and now it's time to weigh. .3 ounces of chicken breast tenderloins. So we're gonna place this off to the side for now and keep stirring this macaroni. Alright, the macaroni's done, and now it's time to strain it. Alright, strain the macaroni. Now it's time to add the milk. 1/4 cup. And the cheddar. We're going to give this a good stir until everything comes together. Alright, so for the serving size, we're going to take about half. Drop it in the bowl. Now we grab the chicken, add it around the sides. And now we're just going to top it off with some pre-chopped green onions. And some parsley. And this is the finished product. to show you how to add this meal to MyFitnessPal. I'm going to open up the app, go to dinner, add food. Since I already had made this before, I'm going to add it again. So 36 grams of carbs, 6 grams of fat, 18 grams of protein. Then we're going to add chicken breast tenderloin, which we had 6 ounces. Actually 6.3. Add that. And this product is pretty simple. I could add green onions if I wanted. Green onions added, and some parsley if you want to get that granular. Alright, and the last thing I'm going to add is the buffalo sauce from Buffalo Wild Wings. Alright, and we use 4 tablespoons, so I'm going to double that. Now I'm going to save this as a meal. And this is where we can see the macros. So it's 472 calories for 38.7 grams of carbs, 12.8 grams of fat, and 53.1 grams of protein. Alright. Add photo, because why not? And there we go. I'm gonna enjoy this while watching The Flash on HBO Now. Heard it's a really good movie, like the best movie of the year. So this is how I'm gonna enjoy my dinner. See you guys next time.